Solve your paper form problems. With our newly updated eForms app, users can digitize their documents, replace printed paperwork, increase data accuracy, and save time. eForms is Simpro's solution for businesses looking to clean up their paper-based processes and operate more efficiently when it comes to workflows involving forms and certificates. Users can create and edit unlimited forms with the eForms Designer, complete them on the go using a tablet or smartphone, and securely store them in the online eForms portal with 24/7 accessibility. Plus, technicians using the application also have access to features like customer signature capture and the ability to attach photos or even drawings to a form. The newly updated eForms application includes a few new features that were heavily requested by our customers. In addition to a sleeker design, we've improved the signature capture capability and added a pinch-to-zoom function that makes the application easy to use on different platforms. eForms can be purchased as a standalone application, or it can be integrated with the Simpro system. Prices vary depending on business needs, so make sure that you contact your local Simpro office for more information. Solve your paper form problems with Simpro eForms today.